Hey, you all out there, you very well know the channel It's Me Yami is making it very sure कि आपके पास जो भी information आए वो बहुत ही authentic हो, genuine हो, and you being a student or a job professional or somewhere in between, like just completed the studies and searching for the job, any which category you are into, you definitely have an opportunity over here onto the channel It's Me Yami. And आज एक और opportunity के साथ आप लोगों के लिए that too by Google. Yes. गूगल अगर कुछ भी लॉन्च कर रहा है, कुछ भी ऑफर कर रहा है, विल बी ऑफ द वर्थ, विल बी ऑफ द डिमांड इन द मार्केट फॉर श्योर. Okay, so it's being into the topic of AI presently into demand. As you all know, artificial intelligence अगर किसी भी फील्ड में add on as a skill कर दो आप, तो you will definitely have an increase of the package offering in the market. ये तो fact है ही है. But to learn the skills of AI is a different thing, and to get actually certified into the same is a different thing. Now, herewith, the Google is providing you an opportunity जहाँ पे दोनों ही चीज़ें हो रही है. आपको 2 दिन का वर्कशॉप अटेंड करते हुए AI, जनरेटिव AI पे पूरी आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिठानी है, एंड ऑन द बेसिक्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू हैव टेकन, आपको देनी रहेगी एक एग्जाम जिसके ओरिजिनल प्राइस इन द मार्केट फॉर जस्ट अप्लाइंग फॉर द एग्जाम इज 99 USD, बट द वन हु आर डूइंग द वर्कशॉप विच इज अगेन फ्री. अगर आप वर्कशॉप के पार्टिसिपेंट हो तो आपको ये एग्जाम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देने को मिलेगी, एंड दैट टू विथ प्रिपरेशन डन बाय गूगल इटसेल्फ. आपको वो लोग एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर भी करवाएंगे, एंड देन दिल हैव यू अलाउंस फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन, एंड जिसके बाद आपको मिल जाएगा सर्टिफिकेट. तो आप कहलाओगे गूगल सर्टिफाइड AI स्पेशलिस्ट. दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉर, राइट? सो काफ़ी सारी ऐसी स्किल्स होती हैं जो कि डिमांड में है मार्केट में, वी वेरी वेल नो, बट आर एक्सपेंसिव इन टू लर्निंग्स. ओके, सो यू नीड टू सर्च आउट थ्रू अ वे इनटू विच इट गोज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट या तो ऑफ रीजनेबल कॉस्ट, एंड साथ ही सर्टिफिकेशन बहुत मैटर करता है. बिकॉज रेज्यूमे में जब भी आप चीज़ें डालते हो अपने अचीवमेंट्स की, it becomes limited. Though you are knowledgeable, you are knowing that thing, you have experienced everything, but if unless and until you are not able to mention it in your resume, it's not authentic. Okay, सामने वाला बंदा जो भी बैठा है इंटरव्यू लेने में, he or she might demand you with her certificate. That is a compulsion thing, right? So this is something you can absolutely go for. The workshop dates are 2nd and 3rd of March. तो बहुत ही short notice है. Registration anytime could get closed because it's a high demanding course. And yeah, apply it soon. Application link in the description box below. If you want to connect me over Instagram for any of the doubts related to such courses, scholarships, internships, work from homes, anything I make, you can connect me over Instagram, ask me over DM. Link again of the profile available in the description box below. Also, we have a WhatsApp channel जिसमें आप add on हो सकते हो, right? The link for the same again available in the description box below for you guys. Let's begin with a complete discussion on the course that is being offered by Google. Yeah, it's a launch pad for women. लड़कियों के लिए है. The one who want to enter into the tech field. Okay, काफी women's out there, females out there will be wanting to be like bang on with the entry whenever after a break or maybe immediately after graduation. She is willing to get into the tech field, but with the full confidence, full knowledge, and full certification, this could be the one for you. Okay, so be among the first customers and partners to get certified in generative AI from Google Cloud itself. It's an award-winning Google Cloud training and certification journey. It's an award-winning. मतलब already ये courses काफ़ी बारी हो चुका है past में, and it has been and award-winning मतलब कि अच्छा खासा recognized course है ये. हाँ, तो register करने के लिए you have the link here. You also have a link here. 6 days का time बाकी है क्योंकि 2nd and 3rd March is the workshop. Okay, so now into this, what will you actually understand is about generative AI, large language model LLMs जिसे हम कहते हैं, broader AI ecosystem. See, there is no basic necessity of two educational qualification. मतलब आप इसी टेक बैकग्राउंड से तभी ये कोर्स कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, एनी ग्रेजुएट्स, एनी ऑनगोइंग ग्रेजुएशन स्टूडेंट कैन रियली बी अ पार्टिसिपेंट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर workshop. Okay, now navigate broader AI ecosystem, practical applications of generative AI, strategic perspective, organizational transformation. Okay, this is all is being included into the particular thing, and of course आपको certification at the end मिलेगा. देखिए यहाँ पे पूरा detail दिया है of the program journey. 2nd and 3rd of March you'll have the generative AI leader training event. Okay, it's online, completely online. You need not go anywhere. You'll get the link once you get registered. Receive a complimentary जनरेटिव AI लीडर सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम वाउचर, जिसकी मैंने प्राइस आपको बताई थी ना, 99 USD है, आपको ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिल जाएगा. ज्वाइन अ सर्टिफिकेट एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ऑफिस आवर्स सेशन. ओके, आपको ये प्रिपरेशन के अलग से सेशन की भी लिंक आएगी, जिसको अटेंड करते हो आपके एग्जाम की जो परफॉर्मेंस होगी वो काफ़ी बेटर होगी. Get certified, and yeah, you'll have all the perks also from Google. So this is the complete schedule also they have shared. Okay, and these are the ones who will be the speakers. Okay, ये आपको पूरा समझाएंगे. Of course the language maintained would be English, but understandable English होगी, so don't you worry. And this is something of the demand, the need of the hour into the present time. And AI is a, you can say, a compulsory part into any of the which field you are into. Okay, तो इससे आप, you can't be away from this. Okay, me being a content creator, me being a counselor since past 6 years, the AI has really transformed my journey into searching the content, searching the necessary information I need as a counselor. Okay, तो मेरा भी in a way have started using AI. ओके, तो ये चीज़ें अटेंड करना सीखना इज़ वेरी मच नेसेसरी विच एवर फील्ड यू आर इन टू. ओके, तो मेक श्योर you attend, and yeah, all the best. You want to have any of your doubts clear, comment section is always open for you. You can absolutely comment, and I'll be more than happy clearing your doubts. All the best to the ones who are applying, and yeah, I'll be coming up with more such contents just for you guys onto the channel. It's me. Yeah.